So welcome to today's video. Now today I'm taking the advice of one of our subscribers, or at least a viewer, and they've said that I need to check out ISO and shutter speed. I am learning about that. I am getting to grips with it a bit more. So I am trying to sort of understand the best settings to use depending on the weather. But today I'm going on his advice, or their advice, and that is to use Freewell filters. Now I've got the day pack, which is the ND-PL filters 8, 16 and 32. And I'm going to try those today and show you exactly how that differs in this little area I've recorded before. So what I'm going to do, I'll take the drone up to 30 meters, I'll pan it around slowly so we can get all the light and all the different things at that height in shot. So I'll use it without a filter, and then I'll use the 8, the 16 and the 32 and see how it differs, and we'll go from there. So let's compare those and let's go. So that video was all about the Freewell filters for the DJI Neo. Now, I hope you've enjoyed that and seen the comparison between the two. If you've got any tips or any ideas regarding the ISO and the shutter speed when it comes to those filters, let me know in the comments. I'm always learning, and it's good to get advice from professionals, because I know there's a lot of you out there. I'm a beginner and I've only done this like 5 times now, but I'm sort of learning every step I go, trying to make the best video I can. But also I do want obviously your input. It would be nice. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this filter video. If you have, give it a like, give us a comment, and let us know if you've used those filters and how you've got on. And I'll put a link in the description where you can get them from. And yeah, let us know in the comments any advice, as I say. And subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps me loads. It gets my channel out there, and obviously it means I can get more videos done. So thanks for watching, take care, and I will see you in the next one. So bye-bye.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.